Every great story starts with a single moment. One brushstroke, one step into the current, one cast of the fly. This is a story about patience, passion, and perseverance. It's about an artist and a fisherman, both seeking the perfect moment. And like any journey worth taking, it is not an easy endeavor. Dominic Swentowski, the heart and voice of troutbitten, has spent years mastering the art of fly fishing and tight line nymphing. His connection to the water is second nature, an unspoken dialogue between angler and stream. And besides him, always is his companion, a loyal dog watching and waiting, sharing in every adventure. Painting is very much like fly fishing. You don't rush, you observe, you feel the rhythm before you begin. The blank canvas is intimidating, just like the first step into cold water. But you trust the process and you put one foot in front of the other. A fisherman does not force the cast. He waits and watches. And then, when the time is right, he moves. For the artist too, each brushstroke here is intentional, like each drift of the fly downstream. Doubt and frustration. Every artist knows this moment too well. Every angler does too. The lost fish, the tangled line, the cast that doesn't land where you want it. You want to walk away and start something new. But mastery isn't about avoiding failure, it's about embracing it. Art, much like life, is fraught with challenges, and moments of doubt can lead to profound transformation. This is where the real work happens, not in those early easy layers, but in the corrections, in the willingness to start over and push through. Every masterpiece, every perfect cast, every great adventure is built on persistence. Art and fishing share a quiet magic where patience meets skill, and the smallest adjustments make the biggest difference. Here, refining the highlights on the water brings movement. There, darkening the shadows adds more depth. Just like setting the hook at the right moment, every brushstroke matters. And then, there it is. That moment when it all comes together, when the water, the angler, and the art all flow in harmony. The river keeps moving. The artist keeps creating. The fisherman keeps casting. Because the journey never really ends. What matters isn't perfection. It's the pursuit, the persistence, and the passion. The rest? Well, that's just part of the story. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more painting videos, please leave us a comment and follow our progress. Check out some other fishing videos from our collection. I really think you will enjoy them. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon.